to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do a little like made up meal sort of thing, because I want to use all the bits and pieces in the fridge that's not gone off but it needs using, like a couple of boxes of mushrooms, some spinach, some more spinach on there. I'm going to use some Filo pastry, I've got some Greek feta, I've got some mozzarella, probably some cheddar cheese, I've got some thyme. What I've done, boiled up some chicken with some chicken stock and garlic, so that's all going to be chopped up. And so what I'm going to do is basically a chicken and mushroom phyllo pie. So the chicken and mushroom phyllo pie, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll crack on and see how this comes out. There might be a few other things added. I'll sort of like do it as I go along. Oh, I forgot. Some like Greek style yogurt that's got to be used up as well. So we're going to be using that as well. So we'll crack on and we'll see in a minute. So what we're going to do first of all is get this chicken out. It was it's like in the pan for, oh I don't know, good 4 hours, just simmering away. And as you can see, it's just all sort of like falls apart. So just gonna put some garlic there. It's all lovely, all nice and soft. So this is, I'm just gonna pull this apart. I've just basically shred it all to pieces. Get a bowl, get a feta cheese and just crumble all this in. Got a sieve, and there's spinach leaves in it. Any suspect looking ones we'll take out. And what we do with these, just get some boiling water. And we'll just let those drain. So in for our chicken, I'm going to use some of our yogurt. Or all of it. Add our spinach leaves that have been wilted with the boiling water and then drained, and then get all the much of the moisture out as you can. Just use up our mozzarella. You can break bits of this off and just put it in there. Now we've got some thyme. Just want the leaves off of these. Just going to use up our mushrooms. Normally I'd use the stalks, but I'm not using them this time. So what I'm going to do now is get a little pan out and just cook these down a little bit, soften them up. A little bit of olive oil. Get our mushrooms in. some spring onions in there. And that'll do for that. So turn that off. Okay, so nice tin. Nice bit of olive oil in the bottom. Rub it all around the sides of the tin. Get a Filo pastry. A couple of layers in the bottom. And overlapping the sides. Like so. Olive oil, of course. Turn our mixture out into the pan and just spread this out so it's all even. It's a shame I didn't have more mushrooms really, but so I'm using up all that I can. That's in the fridge. That's got a nice nice depth to it. And what we're going to do is to I'm going to add some more cheese. So I'm going to add some just a layer of cheddar cheese on top, and that'll all melt down lovely when it's cooking. So for cheese lovers, this will be great. And all we do is fold these over, like so, and then we're going to add some olive oil over the top of this, and add some more layers of Filo pastry. So we're going to add just one on top, like so, and then we're just going to tuck this down the sides. Like this, and for the rest of them, just going to put these in like so, using up all the rest of the sheets. Just using up all the bits and pieces, like so. Nice drizzle of olive oil over the top of this, and then a beaten egg over the top. Yeah, we're just going to get a knife and just pre-cut the top. Doesn't have to go all the way through. Then we'll get the oven on, preheated oven, round about 180, and we'll just keep an eye on it and cook it until this is all lovely and golden brown. We'll bring it back when it's done.
One eternity later.
Well, look at that. So we'll let this cool down, and I'm going to make up a little coleslaw to go with it, so see you in a minute. Okay, so there we go. We've got a chicken and mushroom filo pie with spinach and chicken, garlic, thyme and all that good stuff. Obviously the filo pastry. I think there's something else, I can't remember because I was just making it up as I go along. Oh, spring onions. And a really chunky coleslaw with carrots and courgettes, red and white cabbage, garlic, tomatoes, and I can't remember because I was making it up as I go along. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.